Learn how to put an image in a text. This is super easy. So write the text that you want. Now move the image you want to use over the text. Click right on it and select Create Clipping Mask. After you get the look you want, select both photos holding Ctrl on your keyboard while selecting the layers. Click right, choose Merge Layers. And that's it. A simple tutorial that I hope it helped. Check more on my channel. Now I just make it look better. Follow my steps if you like the way it looks. See you next week with a new tutorial.